Do you run a youth club or a youth organisation? If you do, you will understand the importance of constant communication with your stakeholders. Keeping everybody on the same page with regard to what's happening is vital in day-to-day operations. In this short demonstration, we will look at how Juice helps those running youth clubs to communicate digitally with their community. In the next 5 minutes, you'll see how easy it is to send out targeted emails and how Juice automatically updates the youth club website with program and session information, keeping everybody on the same page all the time. In our first demonstration, we have a fictitious minor emergency on our hands. The hall for Monday Night Youth Club is flooded. We need to communicate quickly with all the people concerned, especially the parents and the guardians of the young people attending. Logging on to Juice, we quickly navigate to the Monday Night Youth Club project. We select Send Emails, followed by Send Broadcast Email. Next, we compose our email with an appropriate subject line and message. When we are happy, we click Confirm Send Email and Confirm Edits. Juice then sends our emails. In the bottom right of our screen, Juice confirms that the emails have been sent and that, in this instance, none of the emails failed. Job done. Total time taken, just under 1 minute. In our second example, we need to be more selective about our audience. This message is for the parents of young people in a specific age category with a specific set of circumstances. We want to notify all parents and guardians of a relevant event that we feel would be of value to them. Again, we type out our subject line and body text of our email, but this time we will be more selective about the audience we choose. On the right-hand side of our screen, we can break down our audience for this message by simply ticking the appropriate boxes. In this instance, we are not interested in selecting by a specific location, program, or project. This message of the parents and guardians of young people in a specific age range, which we can select in a number of ways, and the system allows us to be specific about the circumstances of the young people we are selecting as well. In this instance, we are selecting Send. Once we are happy with our selection, the system asks us to confirm that we are happy and then prompts us to send our emails. Again, job done, this time in just under 2 minutes. All emails sent by Juice are retained in an email archive, which enables us to see at a glance what emails were sent and when. Selecting any of these emails enables us to drill down to the message, our selection criteria for that message, and exactly who received it. The Juice micro website or microsite automatically keeps your community informed about club events and activities. When you plan sessions in Juice, your microsite updates instantly. No need to manually update a separate website or remember to post changes. If you already have a website, you can easily link to your Juice microsite. If you don't have a website yet, the microsite serves as an excellent starting point for your online presence. While Juice offers an optional upgrade to a full website package as well, we'll focus on what's included in the standard system for now. The Juice microsite is all about what's happening at your club. It's a great way to keep parents and guardians, young people and your own team on the same page. In the top left-hand corner, we display your club name and logo, while in the top right, there is a simple navigation system. There's a contact form, a link to the screen we are on now, a registration option, and a staff login area. This allows you and your team to log in securely to update the system or plan sessions. A visitor to your microsite can quickly select information based on the appropriate age group or dive into a specific project, like Monday Night Youth Clubs, where they will see an overview of the project and a summary of the forthcoming sessions we have planned. In this instance, there is only one session planned, but in reality, there may be several here, stretching off into the future. Behind the scenes, your team has planned the sessions using Juice's session planning tools. They will have access to this information when they log into the website, so they will show up prepared for the event, but your community will see a summary of this information. Everybody gets the information they need. If you would like to know more about how Juice can help you run your youth club better, spend less time doing paperwork and more time doing youth work, get in touch. We'd love to talk you through it. Alternatively, explore some of our other short demonstration videos. Thank you for your time.